Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create viral videos using Sora. So if you go to TikTok, I've seen a lot of AI videos of Jake Paul. Actually, that's the only thing right now that's making him likable for me personally. But anyways, to create a viral video, just go to videos here. Or you can like select the kind of video you want. Can I make, oh, or you can just go here. So describe your video, sorry. And then you can change the aspect ratio of your video as well here. So let's do the 9:16 to make it like a TikTok format. Change the resolution. I'll just do the fastest one right now, and I'll do like 5 seconds as well. I'll do one variation. I'll do one. Oh, can I not get it? Okay, I guess we'll do 2. And I'll just do none for the preset. And then I'm just going to use ChatGPT. Make me a viral video prompt for Sora on like a cat, about a cat maybe. I'll just do this. And then you're just going to paste that description. I think it's going to make a storyboard first. Oh, I don't have, okay, I need to buy it first, but you're just going to do that. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.